Hi guys. So have you ever done your makeup so good that you didn't want to take it off? I know, me too, but we have to. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use the no scrub makeup remover. It is so amazing. It's a powder, so you just kind of sprinkle it in your hand, add water to create a paste, and then you get to scrubbing the makeup away. I love this because makeup can be so drying to our skin. Sometimes it can cause breakouts, acne. It causes hyperpigmentation, bacteria, and so it's really important that we make sure that we have a good product that not only removes the makeup from our skin, clears our pores out, make sure that it keeps our complexion amazing, and also like aids in reducing the fine lines, the wrinkles, the acne, the dark scarring, all of that stuff, because we want to make sure that we have bomb skin underneath our makeup. Makeup won't be a necessity. It'll just be an asset to add to the already beautiful skin that we already have. So I'm just going in with the towel and removing the residue of the no scrub makeup remover. This will literally make your skin glow and leaves it hydrated, feeling moisturized, nice and supple, and leave you with a beautiful, radiant, clear, clean complexion, clean pores, all of that. So again, I'm just getting the rest of the residue off, and you're gonna see how it leaves my skin. I love this. I wouldn't use anything else on my skin because I want to have beautiful skin, you know. So now I've gotten all of the no scrub off, and look at my skin, radiant, glowing. Just let it air dry, and now I'll go in with the supporting act toner just to kind of close off my pores, seal everything in, massage it in with my hand. Look at that, bomb. And now I'll go in with the headliner glow serum, which will just make sure that my skin stays really radiant, make sure that my pores are closed, make sure that everything is nice and supple and glowing. You can check out the no scrub makeup remover and the whole FaceTime collection at mycreativecandle.com. Bye.